welcome back. I'm the Watch Nerd. On today's video, we're going to be talking about Submariner. So this is the 16610T, all these models. These are 2000s, 2002, 2004, and 2006 I have on the table. I discovered something staring at these watches. I actually found out they're different dials. Been certified by Rolex. These had been through an authorized movement servicer. This has all been through a Rolex official dealer here, all of these, and they all have different dials. I am very excited to film this video with you. Before I flip you around, before we look at the different dials, it's going to be a game of spot the difference. So I will tell you at the end which is different, but my challenge to you is for you to find out. I'm going to go super close into these dials and into the details. So before I flip you around, I do want to talk about my Chanel chain giveaway. I'm going to be giving this out as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers and Diamonds and Beyond reaches 1,000 followers. I'm freaking out about this. I'm very excited. So before I go too crazy, let's flip it around. First, flipping ourselves around. Just so you know, we will go a lot more closer than this. I just want to start. Look at that. If I just cover that up, that's pretty cool. This, I just want to tell you, we didn't just buy the actual dial. Some client wanted a special watch with an aftermarket face and aftermarket bezel, PVD coated bracelet. So I took this from this watch here. This is, and there's the bezel there. So right before going into it. So now let's talk about these dials. I purposely left one off the bracelet and one on so you could really tell. But without further ado, let's head deeper into these watches, these official Rolex watches. This is watch number 1 without the bracelet. So I purposely, as I said, left it off the bracelet there. Beautiful dial. I'm showing it all around. I'm not going to say what's different yet. I will wait that until after all 3 watches are shown there. Let's get a shot at that Cyclops. Really, really nice texture there. Rolex Oyster Perpetual date here. All 3 of these are dates. Now heading, gotta get the shot of the Swiss made. Now heading to the other piece here. Look at this. This is beautiful also. Don't mind the little specks. That's actually from the cushion. It's not scratches in the dial. These are definitely not scratches. That would be a little bit of a cop-out if I just said there are scratches. So, no. That is not the difference. And then the third watch on the bracelet here. Going all around once more. Cleaning it off so you get a clear view. There we go. I don't know if my excitement comes off in the video, but this is one of the most exciting videos I've made. This may be the 6542 too. Let's actually unscrew the crown here so you can see the text on Rolex. There you go. So, did you find out yet? Do you know? So I would recommend, if you really want to find out by yourself, pausing the video and going back to all 3 of them. I'm doing it once more fairly quickly here. There you go. Now, let's get into it. Now let's look at watch 2 and watch 3. I feel like an eyeglass exam. So here's watch 2. Here is watch 3. Remember, these are all certified by Rolex. These are not some knockoff dials or anything. All parts are original. So do you notice it? I'm focusing on one area right now. Oyster Perpetual date. Very close together. On the other dial, further apart. So that's one of the first really giveaways that this is a different dial. Secondly, look at the chronometer officially certified down there, as you see. And then going over to here, chronometer officially certified. Now, not a big difference right away. but you can definitely tell it's bolder on watch 3, watch 2, and then especially when we go to watch 1, there's the chronometer officially certified. Definitely bolder text. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I definitely could tell. I will put them side by side, not in macro, but it's I can't really fit them in right now because of this macro shot. There we go. There we go. Definitely thinner text. It's a lot thinner on the other. So all 3 of these dials are different. Watch 2 has the same as watch 1 with not the Oyster perpetual date being all separated, but they also have the paragraph down below is the same as the Submariner on the bracelet here. So this is a mix in between both, and these 2 are different dials 100%. And I know they're not fake, and there's a huge debate on a Rolex forum. So if anybody's from that Rolex forum, yes, they are different dials and they are factory. So if you think you're going crazy looking at your Submariner early 2000s, no, you are not going crazy. They are different dials, 100%. These are the same reference numbers around the same years. It's just a different dial, all factory though. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. If you want to win the Chanel chain giveaway, the actual details are in the description. If you follow 4 steps, you can be entered. Make sure you email me. I know a lot of people skip that part, but I will not spam you with emails. Right now I'm not selling watches, and I would never do that. I want to keep our channel less about money and spending and buying. I want to just keep it like this, informative, educational, and that's really my goal with the Watch Nerd here. So if you enjoy it, if you like what I'm doing here, I really appreciate the subscribe. Every single one of you guys out there that are subscribed, I really do appreciate your support. I want to thank you all, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.